Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm giving you a quick room tour of our junior suite with garden view at Riu Place Tropical Bay. So let's get into it. As soon as you walk in, you're welcomed by a really bright and open space. Everything feels clean, modern, and very relaxing, which is exactly what you want on a vacation. Here is the main sleeping area. We've got the super comfortable king size bed with fresh white linens. The lighting is really nice, and there are outlets and lamps on both sides, which makes it really convenient. Over here is the closet space, and there's plenty of room for your clothes, luggage, and shoes. You also get a safe and hangers, which is great if you're staying for a few days or longer. Now let's take a look at the bathroom. It's spacious and modern with large mirror, sink area, and a walk-in shower. Towels, toiletries, and the air dryers are all included. And right here is the mini bar area. And even though I'm not really a drinker, I know this is one of most people's favorite features. You get an unlimited liquor dispenser along with bottled water, soft drinks, so you can make your own drink in the room anytime. It's definitely a big plus for guests who enjoys that. Now for the balcony. This is the garden view and it's super peaceful out here. You've got lots of greenery, fresh air, and it's perfect for having coffees in the morning and just relaxing in the evening. And if you look, you can see a bit of the sea. This junior suite is really spacious, comfortable, and perfect for a relaxing stay at Riu Tropical Bay. If you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you'd stay here. Thanks for watching. Bye.